Welcome back. Tonight we have an update on the federal lawsuit against California's Proposition 50. That's the ballot measure to temporarily redraw state congressional lines.
The three-judge panel says they'll make a ruling Monday on whether these maps are constitutional and can be used in future elections.
ABC 10 State Matters political reporter Jenny Huh is here now with the latest update. Jenny.
Chris, Laura, we've been tracking this all week as a three-day hearing played out in federal court, and based on a court transcript we obtained, it appears the judges may be leaning toward upholding Proposition 50. Now, at the heart of this lawsuit is one big question. Did California engage in racial gerrymandering? Democrats argue the motive was simply political, saying the maps were drawn to give Democrats a 5-seat advantage in response to Texas adopting its new maps that benefit Republicans by 5 seats. Republicans, however, say the maps were drawn based on race and claim they were designed to boost Latino and Hispanic voters and that makes them unconstitutional. But during the hearing, the judges suggested the plaintiffs may be too focused on intent and pointed out that California voters themselves approved these maps.
Regardless of the voters, it's about whether it's constitutional or not. People may have been presented that. But if the founding of these bills and race plays an element in these bills, then the judge must look at it through that lens.
Republican Assemblymember David Tongipaw, one of the plaintiffs, argues that while the Voting Rights Act does allow race to be considered in some cases, that only applies when a group is at a disadvantage. Tongipaw says that because no voting bloc in California is at that disadvantage, that standard doesn't apply, and so there should not be any favoring of Hispanic or Latino voters when drawing district lines.
And so intention matters to you.
I believe so.
Yeah.
Now, earlier in the week, a spokesperson for Governor Newsom said the Supreme Court's recent upholding of Texas's redistricted maps, quote, should be the beginning and end of this Republican effort to silence the voters of California. They did not have an updated comment tonight. Chris, Laura.
Okay, Jenny, thank you.